Welcome to Toolpix, the place where awesome tools get the spotlight. Today, get ready to discover 40 outstanding tools that deserve your attention. Installing cabinet doors gets way easier with this hinge jig. Built tough from stainless steel, it locks in perfect positioning so your hinges sit just right. It keeps projects smooth, accurate, and stress-free. Painting projects just got smarter with this handheld sprayer. 3 adjustable nozzles, various patterns, and a clever magnetic base ensure paint flows evenly. It's a go-to for cabinets, walls, and weekend upgrades. Pressure washing is made effortless with this dual-purpose tool. One side sweeps like a water broom, the other cleans underneath cars or decks. It blasts away grime faster than scrubbing ever could. Ditch the manual screwdriver. This rechargeable tool has adjustable torque, 2 speeds, and a foldable handle for tight spaces. The built-in light helps in dark corners, while its long-lasting battery keeps you working. This clock fan is part gadget, part cool breeze. The soft blades spin while showing the time like magic. With a flexible USB-powered neck, it's great for desks or laptops. Quirky, fun, and useful. This one's lightweight, portable, a chamfer plane. It smooths sharp wood edges beautifully. With built-in bubble levels and a sturdy design, it helps create rounded edges that look polished and feel safer. Here's a serious tool for makers. A high-precision engraving and milling machine. With a spacious work area, strong spindle, and stable rails, it handles wood, acrylic, or aluminum. This plasma cutter feels like pro gear. With app control and pilot arc cutting, it slices steel smoothly. The cooling system keeps it reliable, and it's powerful enough for tough jobs while still handy for DIYers. Leveling up projects is easier with this laser tool. Covering every angle, it projects crisp lines for picture hanging or construction. With a remote control and a long-range beam, it's accurate, sturdy, and easy to use. Working on stairs, this foldable ladder base keeps things steady. It's adjustable, portable, and gives ladders a reliable platform where normal footing just doesn't work. Carrying heavy panels solo is no longer a struggle. This smart panel carrier grips sheets tightly while spreading weight evenly, reducing strain. Perfect for drywall, plywood, or construction materials without back pain. Steel plates aren't easy to move, but this vertical clamp makes it simple. Built from tough alloy steel, it grips tightly, lifts safely, and holds up to heavy loads. With a slip prevention spring, it's dependable for job sites or workshops. Trimming branches and cutting wood is effortless with this mini chainsaw. It is small but mighty. The rechargeable battery, safety lock, and spare chains make it an even more valuable and handy cutting tool. Lawn care is simpler with this lawn trimmer. Switch easily between mowing, edging, or trimming weeds. Adjustable height and auto-feed line keep the yard neat without heavy lifting. Large flat surfaces don't stand a chance against this pressure washer attachment. Its wheels glide smoothly and the splash guard keeps you dry. Perfect for driveways or patios, it makes cleaning faster and easier. Cool treats made easy. This snow cone machine shaves ice fast with dual blades and a powerful motor. The big container keeps ice fresh, and its sturdy design makes it perfect for parties, home use, or small businesses. Splitting logs by hand is exhausting. This electric splitter changes that. With tons of hydraulic power, it handles firewood quickly and safely. The steel body is built to last, while wheels and a stand make it convenient to move and use. Frying for family or business, this double-tank fryer holds plenty. Heats fast and keeps temperature steady for crispy results. With a stainless steel build, it's perfect for chicken, fries, or donuts at home or the shop. This spotlight is seriously bright, lighting up to a mile away. With 7 modes, color lenses, and a rugged waterproof build, it's great for camping, boating, or emergencies. A reliable outdoor companion. Kids love drawing with this interactive robot. It guides little hands with fun cards, music, and a talking voice. It boosts motor skills and imagination while keeping playtime fun and engaging. Cutting tricky angles is easier with this miter shear. The sharp blade and adjustable angle markings give clean, accurate cuts in wood, PVC, and more. Its ratchet system saves effort, making DIY or home repairs smoother. Think of this magnetic wristband as your third hand. 15 strong magnets keep screws, bolts, and nails right where you need them. Comfortable to wear and super handy in the garage or house, it's a simple fix for dropped parts. Precision cutting is simple now with this miter saw. A strong motor, dual speeds, and a built-in laser guide keep cuts sharp and accurate. With extra blades, adjustable angles, and sturdy side tables, it's built for professionals. Engraving and cutting just got more creative with this laser engraver. It works on wood, leather, or metal with fast, accurate results. A roomy workspace and easy software support make it ideal for those who love customization. Climbing stairs with loads is finally manageable with this electric hand truck. It carries heavy items up or down with ease. With smart controls, hydraulic braking, and a foldable design, it's perfect for moving, warehouses, or delivery work. A ladder stabilizer is a must for safe climbing. This one locks securely, extends for different setups, and even has a tool tray built in. Lightweight aluminum keeps it strong yet easy to handle, making tall jobs a lot safer. Cutting masonry or concrete feels effortless with this electric saw. A premium diamond blade, water-fed dust control, and safety brake keep things clean and safe. With strong motor power, it's reliable for tough jobs. Get to know this cordless rotary tool. It is a little powerhouse for doing various tasks like polishing, sanding, or engraving. Comes with multiple speeds, over 100 accessories, and built-in LED lighting. Shifting heavy furniture doesn't have to be a hassle. This lifter set uses rotating dollies to slide sofas, fridges, or big things smoothly. Its floor-friendly wheels make it a reliable tool for easy rearranging anywhere. Mixing concrete is way less hassle with this portable cement mixer. The large poly drum and flat-free tires make it easy to move. Perfect for fences, pools, or small builds, it's simple to use and surprisingly sturdy. Slicing fabric, cardboard, or plastic is now easier with these electric scissors. The sharp titanium blades turn cutting into a breeze. It makes crafting, packing, or repairs much smoother. Sanding walls or ceilings feels easier with this drywall sander. Its strong suction system keeps dust down and visibility up. With adjustable speeds and a lightweight build, it's built to make clean finishes less tiring. Meet this awesome contour gauge. It is a clever helper for odd shapes. Great for tile, flooring, or carpentry. Lock in measurements easily with the adjustable design and trace cuts with precision. Tight spots don't slow down this electric ratchet. It delivers quick torque with handy speed control. With built-in light and a full socket set, it's perfect for car repairs, furniture jobs, or small fixes. Moving heavy gear is no problem with this hydraulic lift cart. Strong, stable, and easy to roll, it raises loads smoothly with a scissor lift design. The sturdy wheels and non-slip platform make it handy in garages, shops, or warehouses. Measuring and drilling straight gets simpler with this positioning ruler. It adjusts angles, marks holes, and folds away neatly. With included pens and blocks for accuracy, it's ideal for cabinetry, shelves, or any precise woodworking project. Woodworkers love this marking knife. Sharp, durable steel slices precise lines, while the comfy wooden handle makes control easy. It's perfect for carving, marking, or fine detail work in any shop. Look at this tool, known as a power trowel. It smooths concrete like a pro. Perfect for driveways, basements, or floors, it's a must-have for anyone working on serious concrete projects. Helping someone stand or move feels safer with this transfer aid. It supports users while offering padded comfort, stable grips, and a slim base. A reliable tool for daily care, mobility, and independence. Ever seen the electric compactor? It makes the groundwork much simpler. With a rounded base, comfy cushioned handle, and strong motor, it levels soil, sand, or gravel without fumes. And that's the full lineup of 40 tools that take the hard work out of every project. Subscribe.